Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to cook honey and Hoisin chicken wings in the vertical smoker. This recipe can also be done on a kettle barbecue, but I thought I'd try something different today. This sauce is great for people who don't enjoy hot wings, and it's extremely easy to make. We're going to keep this as simple as possible. Cut the wings into 3 pieces, throwing away the wing tips. Next, cover the wings with your choice of rub. Today I'm using SuckleBusters Chicken Rub. Time to set up the vertical smoker. Fill the smoke tray with your choice of wood chips. For these wings, I'm going to use hickory. You want to make sure you have a water tray. This will help catch any juices for the wings and also help them to stay moist. Lay the wings out on the racks, try not to place them too close together. This will help with airflow and the wings will evenly cook. Let's light her up. This vertical smoker has a gas burner. Set it to 3/4 of the way to full. Close the door and bring it up to a temp of 325 Fahrenheit, that's 160 Celsius. Cook for about 50 minutes to an hour. While the wings are cooking, let's prep the sauce. In a small bowl, add half a cup of Hoisin sauce. Next, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Then a teaspoon of ginger. Add 1/4 cup of honey. My parents keep bees, so this is all natural honey. Finally, half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Combine all the elements together. The wings have been smoking for roughly an hour and they're looking great. It's time to take them off. Add your wings to a large bowl and pour over that sauce. Mix the wings through thoroughly, making sure they're completely covered. All that's left to do is to serve them up. There you have it, honey and Hoisin chicken wings. Packed full of flavour and are a great alternative to hot wings. If you like this recipe, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.